Good morning, and welcome to Rock Studios at Automation Fair here in Chicago, Illinois. I'm Denny Leone, Senior Global Product Manager in our Production Optimization Contracts business. I'm excited to be in the booth today to talk about industrial asset management and how an embedded asset management and reliability professional can help improve your maintenance, repair, and operations activities. Here with me today are two of our subject matter experts, Dennis Linehan, Application Consulting Manager, and Monty Sinnett, Contracts Delivery Lead. Gentlemen, thanks for being here, taking some time out of your schedule to talk with us about the topic today.
No problem. Thanks for having us.
So we have a lot of good things happening on the show floor. Excited to have you both here with me. To kick off the topic, I wanted to start with a little bit more about the background and the history of industrial asset management and how Rockwell Automation has supported their customers over the years.
Since 1995, Rockwell Automation has been a premier partner with our customers inside the asset management space. We have been developing tools, strategies, and also ideas around asset management, including inventory management, repair management, and our premier program called the RAMP program for asset management. And throughout the years, we continue to evolve this suite of services that allows us to understand our customers' challenges and drive reliability and sustainability inside their organization.
Excellent. So that's a great background. Kind of fast forwarding to current state, and you think about, I know both of you spend a lot of time with our customers, right? And you think about industry trends and current state challenges. Could you talk a little bit about what you're hearing from our customers today in terms of both of those?
Sure. One of the biggest trends that we're hearing from our customers today is this overall drive for equipment reliability. And through equipment reliability, they're trying to figure out how they can optimize their cost and hit that sweet spot for cost reduction, but still allow for uptime inside their organization. In addition, sustainability and metricing that and having that ability to understand how that impacts their processes, but also glean that cost savings is one of the biggest drivers that we're seeing today in the environment.
That's really interesting, right? The sustainability and the reliability angle. So on that note, you talked about the RAMP offering and how we've historically had that. The offering's recently undergone an evolution, a migration, an overhaul with the launch of Asset Plus Managed Service, where we have an on-site AMP supporting our customers. Can you tell me a little bit more about the new offering and some of the highlights that come with it?
Sure. What I'm really super excited is that we continue to evolve the RAMP program into something more and more valuable for our customers. So with Asset Plus Managed that we have just released, we will add additional ideas and consulting solutions, etc. through there, and one of those is through reliability value packs. Inside of that, we're helping focus on uptime at our customer and also blending in how indirect materials and indirect material spend goes with that. So we will have programs like SCORE, that stands for Standardize, Optimize, Consolidation, and Rationalize. We will also have different types of inventory reduction capabilities, etc., that will be blended in there from the asset management space.
Excellent. In addition to all of the repair management deliverables that we've historically done that are super supportive for our customers.
Absolutely. The in-service warranties, the optimization of inventory reduction, etc., are really going to drive great success.
Yeah. Excellent. So we talked a little bit about the AMP being on site and supporting our customers with the evolution of the offering. Interested for our viewers, how does having that AMP on site at the customer every day help them become more reliable, more resilient, and improve their plant and equipment productivity?
The AMP provides a dedicated resource for the customer that they can work with. The AMP knows intimately the customer's account, and they're able to look for trends, look for reliability projects, helps the customer identify discontinued and obsolete product to help them migrate to the newest, latest Rockwell offering, and then it helped them in down situations, help to eliminate those downtime situations.
Excellent. And staying on that, the asset management professional a little bit, here's a little bit more of a fun question. What does a day in the life look like? It's got to be, You're probably getting hit up from all different angles, right? So
Yeah, the day in the life of an amp is very fast paced, and like I said, you're getting hit from maintenance technicians, storeroom personnel, getting hit up by Dennis Linehan here. But the amps, we have a program, data-driven services, that we track all of the customers' repairs, their products, and we use that system to look, like I said, look for trends, help them move away from obsolete product, move to new product, and just be an on-site resource for any questions that they may have.
excellent.
Yeah, so Denny, I would also tell you, being on site, like when the ramp program started, that was one of the best things that goes with it, is being that customer's advocate to the outside world and to Rockwell Automation to drive that hard cost savings within inside their organization and be the champion for change within inside the customer's plant location.
Yeah.
And probably being the subject matter expert also helps our customers really drive value by having Asset Plus managed.
Excellent. Well, it sounds like a lot of really good things going on. Dennis and Monty, I really want to say thanks for taking the time to sit here today and talk about the topic. We hope that our listeners learned something. We want to thank you for tuning in. Please don't go too far. We are streaming live the entire day here at Rock Studios, and please stop by on the expo floor and say hello. Thanks, everyone.